Every developer starts with messy CSS. But what if you could write cleaner, faster, and more powerful style sheets? This is Sass. Sass stands for Syntactically Awesome Stylesheets, and it lives up to the name. It lets you use variables, nesting, functions, and more, all things vanilla CSS can't do on its own. But here's the secret. Sass doesn't work on the browser. It needs to be compiled. So how do we do that? Right from a Windows command prompt. Let's break it down. Step 1, install Sass. If you have Node.js installed, run this in CMD. Want to be sure it worked? Just type, boom, if you see a version number, you're good to go. Step 2, create your Sass file. Open a text editor and write something like this in scss $main color, hash 3498 dB, body, background $main color, save it. Now it's time for the magic. Step 3, compile. In the terminal, navigate to your files folder, then run. This tells Sass, take style.ses and compile it into style.css. Want it to watch for changes automatically? Just run. Now every time you save, Sass updates your CSS instantly. No manual compiling, no sweat, and that's the power of Sass. You write smarter code and Sass handles the rest. From messy style sheets to clean, efficient, production-ready CSS. You didn't just install a tool, you unlocked a new level. Now go build something beautiful.